How to get started with Cash App. Cash App is a financial service that allows you to send, spend, save, and invest your money. To get started with Cash App, you need to download the app for iPhone or Android from App Store or Google Play. Create a Cash App account using your phone number or email address. Connect Cash App to your bank account by entering your debit card information. Add cash to your Cash App balance by tapping the Add Cash button on the banking tab. Use Cash App to pay anyone, buy stocks or Bitcoin, get discounts, and more. You can learn more about Cash App and its features on their official website.